Yan, oh, camera, please.
Hindi, dapat dito dito.
Yan. Ready? One. Yeah!
Golden ah.
Ulit.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Ibang pa.
Good morning. Relax konti. Nakadyon na my birthday. Yun, nag-enjoy yung mga kabataan. No? Wala kasing pasok. Dito na sila naglakwatsa. Beautiful nature. Ganda ng klima. Hindi mainit, hindi malamig. Hello there. How are you, boy? Be careful. You be careful too. You sit down there. Sit down. Just sit down. I'm going there. You want to talk to me?
How do you get down there so fast?
Me? Oh, see, I told you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ligo sana kaso medyo malamig. Maya na lang ng konti. Ang ganda ng mga rock formations. Oh. Mga lime yata ito eh. Oh. Pwedeng gawing semento. Ay yung famous Linipit River. Wala ganong tao kasi di na sila makababa doon. Oh. May construction. Sinaraduhan yung pababaan doon. Dati punong-puno yan. Parang piyestahan parati araw-araw. Ngayon di na sila makababa. Undergoing construction yung daan. Nasaraduhan yung pababaan. Kaya sa mga resort na lang nagpupunta yung mga tao ngayon. MNE Nature Resort. Neka, do pala bunga rambutan da. Nalamis eh. Nalamis na tayo mga pagdiusin eh.
Nalamis.
Okay. Nature Parks, MNE. Oh, ang ganda ron. Ay, maluwang pala to. Ang ganda ng mga rock formations. Doon yung cage, banda. Oh, ganda ng mga ilog, oh. Very clean. Pwedeng uminom dyan. Malinis yan. Hello po. Oh, kasla lollipop. Lollipop flower. Hello, we have American here. How are you? What's your name? Oh, you're a handsome boy, huh?
Yeah.
Where are you from? Do you speak English?
What?
Do you? No, you don't speak English.
But I can speak like this.
Oh, really?
I know Changa, changa, chunky,
What's the Chinese? Oh, you know Pai Kwa? Pai Kwa.
I don't know how to move.
Pai Kwa Ya Chow.
This. Pumpkin, chunky, 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 chunky.
Oh, you're very multilingual, ah.